Oh my goodness. It's a day for coolness in the shop. And here we go. This is my new unit. Actually, this is one head of 2 cassettes that will go into my entire shop. Can you believe that? This is exactly what I was talking about whenever I was doing the spray foam, is that while spray foam is more expensive up front, it will save on the AC. For this entire space, I will only need 2 1-ton units. So 1-ton condenser will be outside of this wall with a head cassette over here, and then the same for the woodworking side. Just talking to Joe, who is with Mini Split King, new results on Instagram, and he was talking to me about the SEER rating for this, which is?
It's boasting 42 SEER.
42! That's awesome. That's by far the most efficient unit on the market. Man, this is so exciting. First unit is in over there. Joe is working on putting the second one in place. Yesterday I had to remove all 3 wall panels and even a ceiling panel in order to do the electrical. But then on this top panel, this morning I cut it in half for this reason, so that the top half is in place for the head cassette. Is it called a cassette? The air handler could have a place to mount to, but then you would still have access to do the workings. I just ripped it with the track saw this morning right in half so I could just butt the other piece after everything's done in order to make it look seamless. Check this out. On this unit, it has that sensor right there. You can program it to follow you around the shop and move the vent so that it's constantly blowing in your direction. And it has Wi-Fi, so I can turn down the thermostat before even leaving the house. I think it's worth noting, of course, being in HVAC, they totally understand the importance of retaining as much spray foam as possible. This was the electrician, though. He just didn't give a crap about it. He was like, let's take all of it out. Look, they removed as little spray foam as possible to get these nice and flush in order to get that R value up. And the electrician's just like, nope. Out here working on the second, well, I'm not. Joe's working really hard on the second condenser. He's about to put a vacuum on the lines, on the high and low pressure lines. What this will do is completely suck out the air, which has a little bit of moisture in it from those lines before they. If you don't get all of that air and moisture out of the line, then that moisture will never actually leave the unit. It'll end up sticking to things and causing corrosion, which of course cause premature wear and tear. One advantage to hiring a HVAC contractor instead of doing it yourself is that they have these like specialized tools to make it, your job just top of the line proper. So, you hear that? That's on full blast. It is so quiet. And here's the inside unit. This is on turbo. So that's the loudest it'll ever be. And that's everything done, like it never happened. So both of my units are on turbo right now. All the plywood is put back. Did I mention that these have a dehumidifier on them? For all you woodworkers.